How to fix your ANZ Bank card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your ANZ Bank card declined. So sometimes when it says your bank card or your transaction was declined, it may be due to various possible reasons. So the first and foremost is you have insufficient funds. The second is your card is locked, your card is expired, and you've reached the daily limit of your card or the merchant is not allowed. So in order to fix the first one, you simply have to make sure that you have enough balance. So if you're making a purchase of $100 and you only have $90 in your account, it'll simply decline and say insufficient funds. So simply make sure you have sufficient balance on your account. Now the second option is that your card is locked. So if you have locked your card, the payment will not go through and it'll say payment declined as well. So to do that, simply go to the card settings and then make sure your card is unlocked or the card is on. Now once you've done that, go to the third option, which is card expired. So let's say you have your card's expiry date set to February 2026. And now if you're using the card on March 2026, the card will not work as the card has already expired. In that case, you'll have to simply apply for a new card. And once you get your new card, activate your new debit card and you will be able to use it. Or the fourth reason is you have reached your daily limit. Now, if you have set a daily limit of, let's say, $1,000 and you've already used $1,000, now the payment will decline and you will not be able to use the card. So the only possible option is increasing your daily limit, or you can simply try to use your card again the next day. And now the final reason may be that the particular merchant you're trying to use the card does not use the ANZ card or doesn't use the card type in general. So once you've followed all these processes and identified what the problem is, you will be able to fix your card decline problem. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.